Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add income onto your account within the PocketGuard application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PocketGuard application on your device. And since the application is not connected to any of your online account, meaning that you can start using it without signing up or logging in. Right at the home page, you will be taken into the expenses option. From here, in order to add your income, you can simply tap on the plus button. And now you will be able to add a new transaction. Make sure you select the income option and the current day's date will be chosen automatically. You can then choose the amount that you wish to add as your income and then choose what category you would like to place this income in by using the drop-down menu. You can also enter a title and you also have the option to add a description for a personal note. You can then tap on the tick mark and now your income has been added onto your account right away. You can add this to your net balance by using the net balance toggle. And now you can see your income that you have just added within your expenses section at the home page right away. And if you go over to the stats window, you will see that this income has also been added to your stats chart. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an income to your account on PocketGuard application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.